Welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a full body yoga flow for flexibility. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Let's start the class by coming down, toes touching, knees nice and wide. We're going to go into child's pose to get connected to our breath. So let's surrender on the mat. Taking a nice big inhale, a nice big exhale. Nice big inhale, nice big exhale. And as you exhale, just let go of anything that's not serving you. And as you inhale, just inhale presence and that connection to your breath. This is your time for you to just stay connected to your breath and just give a little bit of time for self-care. Let's walk your hands over to the left and place that left hand on top of the right palm, dropping your both hips down. And breathe. And let's walk our hands over to the other side. And we're going to place the right hand on top of the left palm. Coming back to the center, coming on to all fours. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Neutralize your spine. Let's pull the belly button in and extend one leg to the back. Try not to have your hip coming up. Have it facing the mat and change. Extending and changing. Let's see if we could have the opposite hand, opposite leg, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Lifting up, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And we're going to place the right hand to the middle of our body. We're going to inhale, lift up the left, and we're going to thread the needle through to open up our upper back. And if you want, you can take the other hand over your body to open up your shoulder. And remember to always listen to your body. Your body will guide you as to what you need today. And let's come back. Let's bring the left hand to the middle of your body. Inhale, lift up the right, thread it through. And again, you can take that top hand, bring it over your body, open up that shoulder for 3, 2, 1. And let's just come back onto all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Tuck the toes under, lifting up into a downward facing dog. Walking out, left, right, left, right. Beautiful. And just staying connected to your breath. We're going to lean forward onto your hands and we're just going to walk the feet forward. You can have your knees bent if you want. Let's just grab hold of our elbows into a ragdoll. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Just drop there. Let go of those elbows. Let your head hang completely loose. And then we're pulling up the belly button and lifting up. One vertebra at a time. Rolling those shoulders back. Inhale, lift up those arms. Take your right foot across over your left foot. Grab hold of your right wrist and bring your right hand over to the left and push your right hip away from you. And then back down. Change sides. Left foot over your right. Grab hold of your left wrist, lifting up, reaching over. And then back to the center. Feet hip distance apart, hands shoulder width apart, little pinkies facing each other, palms together. Lean back very slightly, bring the hands to prayer. You can have your knees bent and we're going to Bring the hands back and come and sit into a chair. Bring the hands to prayer, rolling it down. Tucking the neck in. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, tucking the neck. Framing the foot. Right leg back. Now drop that right knee down. Lean forward. Bring the hands to the inside of the front foot and let's just wiggle it out. One way, wiggling it out. The other way. Beautiful. Tuck the back toe under, coming to a downward facing dog. And then we're going to lean forward onto our hands, step the right foot forward, drop the left knee down, bring the hands to the inside of the front foot and wiggling it out. Bring the hands on to both sides of the front foot, tuck the back toe under, come into downward facing dog. Downward facing dog, breathing it out, breathing it in. Lean forward onto your hands, step your right foot forward, left foot forward, tucking the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine, your knees can be bent. Inhale, coming to the chair. Hands to prayer, forward bend, tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in, frame the foot. Left leg back, right leg back. And you can come into a downward facing dog or you can come into a flow, tricep push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Lean forward onto your hands, step your right foot forward. Inhale, lift up your arms. Grab hold of your right wrist, bring it over your body. Change sides. Bring the hands up, cactus arms, come into a lunge. For 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands up and bring them back. Interlock the fingers, open up your chest. And then pivot your back foot to a 45-degree angle and come down into humble warrior. And breathe. Bring your left hand down. Inhale, lift up your right. Place that right hand in front of, or your toe, or your fingertips, in front of the right foot and lift up your left hand. Lengthen your spine, rotate your chest towards the ceiling. Extend that front leg. Holding it. For 3, 2, 1. Inhale, coming up. Both toes facing the front. Shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come down towards me. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, coming down. Leaning slightly forward onto your toes. Place your left hand in the middle of the mat. Inhale, lift up the right. Change sides. Right hand down. Inhale, lift up the left. Walking your hands to the back of the room. And then we're going to kick back into a downward facing dog, or you can go into the flow. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And breathe. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. Lean forward onto your hands, step your left foot forward. Inhale, coming up. Grab hold of your right wrist, bring it over your body. Change sides, you're doing well. Bring the hands up, we're going to come into cactus arms. Lunging it down, opening up the shoulders. Squeeze those shoulder blades behind you for 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands up, bring the hands behind you. Open up your chest. Pivot the back foot, 45-degree angle, humble warrior. Place the right hand down. Inhale, lift up the left. Lengthen your spine. Bring the left hand in front of your left foot. Inhale, lifting up. And if you want to, you can bring your fingers to the mat instead of your palm, up to you. Extend that front leg into the triangle. Inhale, come up. Both feet facing the front. Hands to prayer. We're going to do a side lunge. Left foot pointing up, leaning over to the other side, right foot pointing up. And again. And again. And this time, we're going to come and frame that front foot. Tuck the back toe into a downward facing dog or come into your flow. And downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Gently bring the knees down. Let's go and melt our hearts down. Buttocks is up. Melting our heart down. Taking a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. And then gently coming back. Let's come and sit cross-legged. Sitting cross-legged. We're just going to place that front foot. Heel doesn't touch the shin. And let's walk our fingers forward. And you're feeling a nice stretch in that glute muscle. Change sides. Heel doesn't touch the shin. Walking the fingers forward. Relax the shoulders. Big breath in. Big breath out. Big breath in. Big breath out. And walking your fingers back. Sitting cross-legged in a comfortable position. Resting the hands on the knees. Sitting nice and tall. Let's just exhale. Bring the neck down. Inhale. Lifting up. Exhale. Bringing it down. Inhale. Lifting it up. Back to center. Turn your head to one side. Tuck the chin in. Turn your head to the other side. Tuck the chin in. And again. And again. And then just sit here with a nice straight spine. Relax your shoulders, relax your face, relax your jaw. And as we end our practice, think of 3 things that you are grateful for today. 3 things that give you pleasure. Inhale each one of those things into your body, into your being. Exhale gratitude out to the universe. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. And gently, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, and have a fantastic day until I see you next time. Thank you for sharing your time and your space with me. I appreciate you.